Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to give you a quick conclusion to our live coding exercise. So just to go over what we talked about the variables we'd be using and then if-then statements, which we used heavily. And then we talked a little bit about while loops and for loops and how they controlled the flow of the program, as well as functions for repeated actions that we might take over and over. We then talked about the structure of the program and how we'd build it out. And then we went into our live coding demonstration, which was the majority of this program. Finally, this is the conclusion here, and just to kind of give you a brief overview of everything that we've talked about. Thanks for watching, guys. I've put download links in the description for the Python file and an exe version of the file as well, created with PyInstaller. Feel free to comment down below with any suggestions or changes, maybe new features that you added while you were coding or different ways that you approach things. I love hearing suggestions and different kinds of things and different ways that you were able to work with this code and build upon the instruction that I've given you. Finally, you can download the exe file, as I've mentioned, if you want to run this program on Windows, just in case you're bored and you want to play a little blackjack, make some money. Last but not least, I'm putting my email address up here, coding.trialanderror@gmail.com. Remember, 3 R's in error because everyone makes mistakes. Feel free to reach out to me directly if you'd like to have any more questions or about the video or suggestions of more videos or anything that I've covered in this video series that you'd like for me to cover in depth. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.